How to create stunning PowerPoint presentations with Napkin AI. Step-by-step tutorial. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to create stunning PowerPoint presentation using Napkin AI. So let's start. Open your internet browser. On the search bar, type Napkin AI. Open this website. Or you can directly come to this website by typing napkin.ai on the browser. Napkin AI is an innovative web-based tool that transforms plain text into engaging visuals, such as diagrams, flowcharts, and mind maps, making it ideal for business storytelling, presentations, and educational content. From here, you can sign in. You will be directed to a new window. Sign in with your Google account, or sign in with email. I will sign in with my Google account. Please wait while it's loading. How are you planning to use Napkin? For work, for personal use, or for school? I will select for school. Click on Next. Select your school type. I will choose University and Higher Education. Click Next. What best describes your role? I will choose Teacher. Select Next. Where are you planning to use Napkin visuals? I will select Presentation, Blogs and Newsletter, Social Media Content, Data and Research Reports. Choose according to your requirement. Click on Submit. You are all set to create your first napkin. Here you go. Welcome to Napkin AI. Click on Create My First Napkin. Now tell. How would you like to add text? By pasting my text content. By generating text using AI. If you already have text content, then select this option. Otherwise, select by generating text using AI. As I don't have text right now, I will select this option. Write prompt here. Like I will write. The role of AI in healthcare. Now click on Continue. Here you go. How beautifully this website has generated text content on role of AI in healthcare. Now let's create visuals for each paragraph. You can generate visual by clicking the blue button on the left side. One by one create visual for each paragraph. You can select any image from here. Once you are done with editing, click on Share. From here you can copy the link and share it with someone. Or you can click on Download PDF. Under Page Format, you can see option like Single Continuous Page, A4 size, US letter, Presentation. As I need presentation, I will select So. I will select Presentation option. Then click on Download. The download started. Once it's done, open it. You can see the PDF document is ready. If you want to make changes with this document, then you have to convert this PDF to PPT format. Let me show you how to do this. On your browser, type Convert PDF to PPT. Open this website. Select PDF file. Wait while it's converting. Click on Download PowerPoint. Here you go. You got PowerPoint presentation. Now click on Enable Editing. You can easily make changes as you like. Let's discover more on the website. Go back to the website. From here, you can select library. All your work will appear here. Click on New Napkin. Here you can see options. Draft with AI. Import from file. Or blank napkin. I will select import from file. Choose a file from your device. Wait while it's processing. Here you go. You got detailed presentation of your research paper. Now generate visual. You have to repeat the steps, which I have done before. Once you are done, select Download PDF. In this way, you can use Napkin AI website to create PowerPoint presentation.